My name is Ron Anderson,
My name is Mike Swiridow.
and I wanted to talk a little bit about the family that we got introduced to and became acquainted with at Tamarack, and gave us a demonstration of the plane before and after. And we were totally excited and happy about everything they did for us. They put us up, they fed us, they let us come into the business and look over the plane as it was being produced with the Tamarack winglets on it. And from now on, at that point, I let Mike take over because he's been doing most of the flying.
Well, as far as the airplane performance is concerned, I took the airplane out to Sandpoint all the way from New Richmond, Wisconsin. Performance on the aircraft as a standard aircraft was pretty impressive to start with. When I got to Sandpoint, they taxied the aircraft in, parked it. They took me into the building out there, treated me like royalty, explained everything that was going on in the hangar, took me through all the parts, the processes that were going to go on in the retrofit with the winglets on that. Once that was done, they took me back to the airport. I flew home, expecting the airplane to be completed within a week, which it was.
One of the most exciting things of the whole thing is when it was completed, Mike and I jumped in the plane for the test flight. And believe me, it was a test flight. It did things that I didn't think it would ever be possible to have done it on a CJ. It's thrilling and exciting, and so my recommendation to anyone thinking about a winglet for their airplane would be to contact Lena, contact Nick, go to the factory, talk to the people. It's a great company, it's a great family, and we're proud to be a part of it.
Yeah, the performance on the aircraft, over a period of time, we've made some relatively long distance flights. Performance in the climb is outstanding. You get to altitude so much faster. That's where the fuel savings really comes in. We've been able to extend the range on that aircraft, and we've actually been able to get the airplane higher than the standard airplane would, simply because of the added wing and performance of that aircraft. It's an outstanding mod.